and run it under her belly.
No way!
She just likes to wave her finger at her. Breathe, Becky. Put your finger up there.
Where is she?
She's right on your left shoulder. Take your hand and just rub it under her belly.
No!
She finds this funny, but she's so doesn't know what to do.
Oh my gosh! She's so close to my face!
Go on.
Alright, okay.
He runs out there.
She's gonna peck out my eye.
So you go like this, and you run it under her belly.
Come here, Diggle. Come here. Okay, come here. Oh my gosh! Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. Come here, Diggle. Come here.
What, are you gonna flick her off?
Alright. I see her like on top of my head! Okay. Alright. Come here.
And yet you want a bird?
Diggle. Come here. Diggle. Come here. Just don't peck at me. Okay.
She didn't do anything.
Your face is so red.
My stomach hurts.
No! Bad bird! Bad! Step up! Come here! No! Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh.
Your left hand is like this along your...
Step up! Step up! Does she know step up? Okay. Come here, Tickle. Where are you at? I don't want to hurt you. Where's
Just
she at?
slowly start rolling onto your back.
Okay. There she is. Oh. Come here. Okay.
Keep rolling on your back. There you go.
Hey, no, don't eat that. Okay, come here. No. Come here. Step up. Come here. Okay, just crawl off my leg. I'm okay. Keep going. Go away.
Go away.
Keep going. Shoo, birdie.